Kiran from Usha Martin World School. Welcome you all in our class 12th physical education. Hope you all are safe at home. Students, today we are going to discuss about measurement of cardiovascular fitness, Harvard step test. Now first we discuss about what is measurement of cardiovascular fitness, Harvard step test. Let's start, students. A person's ability to do continuous work depend upon the supply of oxygen. The production of work energy consumption is directly proportional to the oxygen consumption. Therefore, maximum oxygen consumption is the best measure of fitness. For continuous exercise, it has been found that pulse rate is very closely related with oxygen consumption. This relationship of oxygen consumption and pulse rate is employed in the Harvard step test to measure cardiovascular fitness. Now, Harvard step test. Harvard step test was developed by Lucien Brocha and his associates in 1943. In this test, the individual is required to step up and down a high platform, approx 20 inches high, at the rate of 30 steps per minute for 5 minutes or until exhaustion. Through this test, we get a score that indicates the fitness of the subject. The heartbeat of the individual is counted between 1 to 1.5 minutes after completion of the test. This test measures cardiovascular fitness of an individual. Its equipment, a stopwatch, and the second is a stepping platform 20 inches high and at least 40 inches wide for man and 16 inches high and 14 inches wide for women. It should be sturdy and should not topple. Now its procedure. The subject is asked to stand near the stepping platform. The person conducting the test stands near him or her to call out the rhythm. At the start signal, the subject places on foot on the platform, steps up and places both feet on the platform. He or she strengthens the leg and back and immediately step down with the foot that he or she placed up first and then brings the second foot down. This rhythm is maintained by counting up 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3, 4 at the rate of 2 seconds. Second is counting time should begin when the subject start exercising. Third is he or she should go on stepping at the rate of 30 times a minute for 5 minutes continuously. If he or she stop stepping before the completion of 5 minutes due to exertion, the time should be noted when the athlete is not able to maintain the stepping rate for 15 seconds. It is called exertion. Fourth is when the subject start counting the time and make him or her sit comfortably on a chair. Fifth is after 1 minute of stopping the exercise, his or her pulse rate should be noted for exactly 30 seconds. The base of the neck is the convenient point, carotid artery, to note the pulse. Now 6 is again record the number of heartbeats, pulse rate, for the next 2 consecutive 30 seconds period, that is 2 minus 2 1 by 2 minutes and 3 and 1 by 2 half minutes. Okay. 7 is add the pulse rate recorded for the 3 times intervals. 8 is calculate the fitness index by using the formula is fitness index is equal to duration of test in seconds into 100 by 2 into sum of 3 pulse counts after test. 9th is less pulse rate or a high fitness index scored represents better fitness of an individual. The fitness index score below 50 indicates poor fitness. Score between 50 and 80 indicate average fitness and score above 80 indicates good fitness. For example, Harvard step test was conducted for a male for a test duration of 5 minutes, 300 seconds. The number of heartbeats recorded between 1 and 1.5 minutes in 80, between 2 and 2.5 minutes is 70, and between 3 to 3.5 minutes is 60. The fitness index score can be calculated as fitness index score is equal to 300 into 100 by 2 into 80 plus 70 plus 60 is equal to 30,000 by 2 into 210 is equal to 30,000 by 420 is equal to 71.4. This is the formula. Okay. Now its precautions. The subject should wear comfortable clothes and rubber-soled shoes. Second is, the subject must strengthen his legs and back at each step. Rhythm should be maintained. The subject should be stopped before completion of 5 minutes time if he or she is exhausted. Its advantage. First is procedure for conducting the test is simple. Second is minimum cost and equipments are required to conduct this test. Third is chances of making mistakes in conducting the test and calculating the fitness index are minimum. Its disadvantage. First is anthropometric measurements of individual are different, but in the test, box of same height is used for all. Second is body weight of an individual is not considered in this test. It becomes very difficult for heavier individuals to perform in the same manner as other people do. Now, thank you students.